Hello everyone, and welcome back to Electrotech 5. Nowadays, drones are all the rage, making for professional videography tools as well as really fun toys. Mini flying quadcopters make for the best toy class drones, being great for kids as flying them indoors is the preferred way of use. The best thing about most of the Nano drones is that they are really affordable. Therefore, if you break them, you can simply purchase a new one. So, are you looking for Nano drones? Well, we have compiled the best Nano drones for you to check out, and take note, these are not in order. Let's start off with the Ishin E010. The E010 is a small, ducted drone that you can purchase for only $25. This drone is best for beginners. The ducts around the motors of the E010 help make it both quieter and more efficient. As an added bonus, these propeller guards also serve as bumpers. You can often pinball your way through obstacles without crashing or losing a propeller. While the E010 may be inspired by the Inductrix, the E010 costs a lot less and is actually a better and more durable drone. Although these drones come without a camera, so you have to buy your own camera and connect it to the drone. If you want to add a wireless camera on the drone, you have to remove the top shell. This is the only surface where you can fit a camera nicely. Be aware of the fact that when you will add the camera on the drone, the flight time will be reduced due to increased weight, which requires more power from the battery in order to make the drone fly. This drone is equipped with a battery that has 150 mAh, 3.7 volts, which can give the drone around 45 minutes of flight time. Yes, it's kinda short flight time, but what do you expect from a Nano drone, right? So for this starter, this drone can help you learn some basic functions like one-key return and headless mode. Besides, this is the drone that can perform flips in any direction. Up next is the Sky Viper M500 Nano drone. The M500 Nano drone costs ranging from $29.96 to $449. With all new flight assist features including auto launch, auto hover, and auto land, this 4th generation M500 Nano drone is sure to impress. The palm-sized design is perfect for flying indoors but is also sturdy enough for the great outdoors. This comes with a 100 mAh 3.7 LiPo battery. The USB charging adapter and cable for this model works great and it can be fully charged within just 30 minutes. The charging cable fits snug inside of the charging port on the quadcopter. There is no need to remove the battery to charge it, which makes for one less step when recharging. The controller settings and aircraft itself aren't designed for fine precision tuning. This may be a turn-off to pilots with more experience. That said, you can dial in the flight performance through a number of methods, making the Sky Viper M500 both challenging and enjoyable to fly. This micro quadcopter should appeal almost any level of radio control enthusiasts. For those that are looking to get into the world of RC flight, it serves as a low-cost aircraft to log some hours or minutes on. If you've been in the hobby for a while and are looking for low-cost options that can provide fun indoors and out, then this model will certainly accomplish that as well. Based on the solid construction and overall durable airframe, this is a great option for RC pilots of any level and is a great way to introduce a rookie, both to the RC hobby and the RC flight, to quadcopters and multi-rotor aircrafts. With a price of less than $40, it fits into just about any budget as well. The Hubsan H111 Nano Quadcopter. The Hubsan H111 Nano Quadcopter is an amazing drone. The yaw rate is super fast and it is also super stable, becoming one of the perfect drones to use by beginners or kids in order to learn how to pilot a drone. This is a very small and light quadcopter but with amazing features that you should take into consideration. This drone is made of a strong high-quality plastic. Its entire structure is based on the printed circuit board covered with plastic and its protective canopy, in order to provide aesthetic flair to the drone as well as protecting the internal products of the drone. This drone comes with integrated LED lights in the front and the back, in order to see it when it's darker. The aspect is also very important when you are losing your drone in the nighttime in order to find it easier. Unfortunately, this drone doesn't come with a camera, so if you want to take photos and videos, you should buy a camera that matches with this drone. The Hubsan H111 is controlled by a 2.4 GHz petite in size wireless control. The controller has an aspect of a dual joystick, a power switch button, and trimming buttons. It's powered by two AAA batteries. Now this is a special drone due to its special features. You can have lots of fun flying it and using its tricks. It can do 360-degree rolls, and with its speed and yaw rate, you can make a race competition with your friends. Another important features of this is represented by the fact that dropping or hitting it will not represent any problem for its components being well protected. Cheap and easy, you can fix it whenever it's necessary. Being so small, you can zip around with it wherever you make it, and that's why the H111 Nano is a perfect drone for outdoors and also indoors. You can fly it everywhere you want without worrying about breaking anything. Holy Stone HS190. This is a small and palm-sized drone that provides a better and safe flight experience. It can be older, making it very portable. When you release the throttle stick, the drone stays hovering at its current height. That's super easy to control for beginners. This drone costs about $33. It's capable of stunts like 360 flips in flight, high-speed rotations, and various flight movements for wonderful actions. It can spin at a high speed like a dancer with its small body. The 3D flip makes flying interesting. It can roll in different directions. For the drone to take off, you simply press the button and just press it again to land slowly on the ground. The HS190 also has 3 switchable speed modes: low, medium, and high speeds, which help you to practice your flying skills step by step so that you can go from a beginner to an expert gradually. Equipped with LED navigation lights and remote control indicator lights for night flights, you won't lose your drone easily. This drone does not have a replaceable battery. In fact, the battery is actually built in. The flight time of this drone is about 5 to 7 minutes, and the battery can be fully charged in about 30 to 40 minutes. The battery capacity is 220 amp hours. You may connect it to an adapter or computer to charge it when you're outdoors. You can also connect it to the controller to charge it. The Holy Stone HS190 drone is undoubtedly quite unique, and it is capable of delivering the best experience to beginners and first-time users. For individuals who like miniature, foldable drones, this could be a remarkable option. Original JJRC H20. If you just want to buy a drone that looks cool, then go for the original JJRC H20. This only costs about $44. It has 6 propellers with propeller guards for more throttle and for stability. Can you imagine that this tiny drone has even 6 fans? This drone comes with 150 mAh 3.7 volt battery. The charging time is for 45 minutes and can last up to 5 to 7 minutes in the air. It also has built-in LED lights to fly at night with 4 channels which can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left, sideward fly, right sideward fly, and rolling 360. Syma X12S Nano. The Syma X12S Nano costs about $30. It is equipped with the latest 6-axis flight control systems and 3D locks, enhancing the operation force with longer flight time. This drone can fly for 6 to 8 minutes. Its battery has 100 mAh LiPoly 3.7 volts that you can charge for 50 to 60 minutes via USB charging. To keep your drone flying excellently at night, it has a flashing colorful flashlight. It has a key for 360-degree rolling, which also has a function of continuous rolling. Through the headless mode, the operator does not need to position the aircraft's headpiece, and you just need to control the aircraft in accordance with the direction of the remote control's operating rod. The Syma X12S Nano comes with a 2.4 GHz remote control using spread spectrum technology for further remote distance. Best anti-interference ability, less power consumption. You could fly more helicopters at the same time. Its reaction speed is 100 times faster than the other radio controls. Last but not least, Cheerson CX-10. The very first thing that is going to amaze you is the fact that this quadcopter is super small. In fact, the Cheerson CX-10 Mini is considered as the smallest drone in the world. You can grab the Cheerson CX-10 4-channel mini quadcopter for around $15. It is made entirely out of plastic and the build quality is great. It has a little on and off switch as well as a proprietary charging port that takes less than an hour to charge. Another thing that you will surely notice about this quad aside from the size is the collection of vibrant colors which they come in. In addition to that, each quad comes in a similarly colored transmitter giving you a more colorful drone flying experience. The built-in LED lighting is one of the most essential features of the Cheerson CX-10. Each motor of this drone has an LED light mounted. This drone comes with 2 blue LED lights which are located at the back and 2 red LED lights in the front. Undeniably, the built-in LED lights always come in handy, most especially when you are flying at night or in dark areas. On the other hand, such lights can provide you with a quick positioning of the quad when you're flying at a very high speed. Also, the inbuilt LED lights offer a colorful as well as a nice effect when you're operating in low lighting or at night, making your flying experience very fun. The remote control is also made of plastic powered by 2 AAA batteries. It has an ascend-descend lever on the left and left-right flying lever on the right. Also, the up-down button works as a trimmer for ascending or descending. The left-right button is a trimmer for left or right side flying. Finally, the remote controller has a power on-off switch and the power indicator. And that is the list of the best nano drones that we have come up with. If you'd like to stay up to date with all the latest videos about gadgets and new technologies, then subscribe to us, like and share this video, and click on the notification bell. Once again, this is ElectroTech5, signing out.